One thing that each one of us wants to do is feel calm. I remember the time when an earthquake came to Calcutta suddenly, and I wondered, my God, this is not an earthquake prone zone, and yet what do I do now? The world seemed to be swimming, and everything was shaking. I live on top of the 14th floor, and I didn't know how to run down. The lifter was not working, and of course, I knew that the best thing to do at that time was to get under a table or an object. Yet the thought of being high up and having nowhere to go without solid ground beneath my feet was not very pleasant. Luckily, the tremors stopped quickly and it was all back to normal. So, how is it that you like to feel calm on a regular basis? Always have your calmness plan ready. I'm going to give you some tips in which you can be calm by using all your senses. Your sense of sight. What is it that you see that can help you feel calmer? One tip that works every time is looking at old photographs. In your corner, whether it's your office or at home where you regularly sit in your sitting room, hang some old pictures which have good memories for you. Those pictures that remind you of your achievements or where you have loved ones around. And another thing that works is start a gratitude list. And if you find that there are 10 things that you are grateful for on a regular basis, write it down beautifully in a color that you like and frame it up and hang it somewhere. This is something that is going to calm you down. A time-tested way to feel calmer is nature. Look at the sky. When you see clouds or twinkling stars or even the moon, you feel a lot calmer in life. The next way to feel calm is through our hearing. Listen to ambient sounds, some kind of soft, soothing, relaxing music. You have a lot of them available on the internet, or you could perhaps download your own favorite music. Call up someone whom you love. Listening to the sound of a loved one's voice instantly calms you down. I love calling up my son who's studying abroad, and just hearing his voice calms me down. So this really, really helps. Thirdly, get lost in some kind of music. Whether it's rap, whether it's pop, whether it's soulful Rabindra Sangeet or your favorite ghazals. Take a minute and hear something. So you will instantly feel calmer. For me, the song Hold On by Wilson Phillips is like magic. It instantly calms me down. So identify a few songs that help you feel calmer. Third is your sense of taste. How are you going to use it to calm down? Eat some dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has flavonoids and they release soothing neurotransmitters in your brain and you calm down. Secondly, use some fresh herbs. Grow some mint, pudina, some dhania leaves, some methi leaves in your backyard or your balcony garden. If you don't have access to either, or if you feel you don't have green fingers, call for some fresh herbs on a daily basis, and actually when you taste them, you feel a lot better. Thirdly, eat mindfully. When you are eating, chew softly, slowly, and savor the taste of your food. What is it that you are enjoying? The texture, the look, the taste. What is it reminding you of? Do you have some favorite memories associated with it? The next way to calm down is through touch. Sit down and snuggle against your favorite person or a pet. It could be a family member, it could be your spouse, your child, your parent, or even a pet that you are fond of. Next, wear clean, fresh clothes. The feeling of pure fabrics like cotton is very soothing and gentle and instantly calms us down. What also works is massage and a hug. If you get it from a loved one, it's great. Otherwise, just give one to yourself. Yes. And so these are some of the ways through touch, taste, smell, sight, and hearing that we can feel calmer. When it comes to smell, think of it, the smell of freshly baked bread or the smell of some pleasant flower, the fragrance of your favorite perfume, they all calm us down. So, I hope these tips help you feel calmer. Have a great day. Bye bye.